Khanyi Mbau reappears after her boyfriend declares her missing. Is their relationship falling apart? Khanyi Mbau told Breaking News in our exclusive interview. She said she was at home safe and sound. In another development, her boyfriend Kudzai Mushonga claimed Khanyi Mbau after he dropped her off at the salon in Dubai. The Zimbabwean businessman said he took Khanyi Mbau down to a beauty salon in Dubai at 6 p.m. on Tuesday, where the couple had been on vacation for several weeks. According to Kudzai, after several unsuccessful attempts to contact her, he went on social media and assumed she was missing, to which she replied that she was in the building. However, Khanyi Mbau, revealing that she is actually in Johannesburg, posted a picture of herself by her father's grave. "Dear Dad, it's real here. Thank you for all your texts and genuine concern. I'm home, safe and well," she captioned the photo. Khanyi Mbau says thanks for all the prayers of her fans, supportive and sought after parties as well as all her friends. After Khanyi's whereabouts were confirmed, Kudzai, in a 24-minute broadcast on Instagram Live, said, "I don't know if this is the part where we break up, or there's something urgent that I don't need to know about. We don't fight, we didn't argue the day she left," he said of the events that took place before she left Dubai. He goes on to say that he still loves Khanyi and that he is hurting. He told Khanyi and added that if she told him she wanted to go back to South Africa, he wouldn't hold her back or argue on the subject. "I never lied to that woman. I told the truth. And Khanyi was the first woman I never cheated on in my whole life," he continued.